Okay, so last week I noticed when I turned the generator on that there wasn't any water coming out the exhaust. So I think my impeller's dead. So I'm going to have to try to switch that out today. You can see it is buried back there underneath that oil filter. That 3/4 inch line right there coming in is coming from the strainer, which is over there. And so I'll have to get this shroud off first and be able to, so I can be able to get back behind there to get to that area, the back of it, so that I can replace the impeller. So get this shroud off. It just has a couple wing nuts here. Just loosen them up. There's one on the bottom. And it just slides into the couple slots on the plastic. So it comes off pretty easily. Now you can see the belts. This is the water pump right here, but you have to go behind it to switch out the impeller. And of course, since this is an inboard setup with V drives, we have all this exhaust stuff here that's in the way. That wasn't there, it'd be easy peasy, but right back there, down there where those 4 screws are, is where I got to get to. So let's start trying to get in there. Okay, so I got to get down underneath here to get the nuts off, and I have these adjustable wrenches. It's pretty cool because they'll let me angle to get in anywhere. It's a socket wrench. So we're going to try to get those off now. All right, trying to get a good angle. So you can see and there's 2 of these screws and nuts. Not easy to get to. All right, so I'm getting it, having it undone by hand. Try to get this front one out. I can turn the pump at least. Trying not to lose the nut. Okay. And there's that nut out, or bolt. So I might be able to turn the pump now. It fits in a slot down there. So we'll take the belt off. Give me a little more wiggle room. And without taking the whole thing apart, it'd be impossible to get it off anyway. This rides in an adjustable slot there so that you can adjust the belt. And you can see it from this side maybe a little better now. Right there's where I need to get those 4 nuts out and then replace that impeller. Okay, so got down in there and I'm getting these little nuts loose, little bolts, and so I'm going to take those off by hand and then show you what's inside. So this is all that's left. Looks like it's spun everything clear out. See down in there, nothing but powdered rubber. So I got another one If I put this one in, see if that works. I have to clean this out first. All right, so I always put a little bit of soap and work that around. Helps to seat it in there properly. Get it in there quickly. So get them tightened. As you can see, they are back in place, at least. All right, got her all put back together. Seems like she's running okay. And she's pumping water again. So I'm going to let it run a little bit. Got the battery charger on. Then it's got a little surge to it, so on the governor, which is right there, there's on the end of it, there's an adjustment that I'll do in a little while to take that surge out.